How to sort a list of strings numerically. I know that this sounds trivial, but I did not realize that the sort function of Python was weird. I have a list of numbers that are actually in string form, so I first convert them to ints, then attempt a sort. Gives me what I want is. I've looked around for some of the algorithms associated with sorting numeric sets, but the ones I found all involve sorting alphanumeric sets. I know this is probably a no-brainer problem, but Google and my textbook don't offer anything more or less useful than the dot sort function.
You haven't actually converted your strings to ints. Or rather, you did, but then you didn't do anything with the results. What you want is, if for some reason you need to keep strings instead of ints, usually a bad idea, but maybe you need to preserve leading zeros or something, you can use a key function. Sort takes a named parameter, key, which is a function that is called on each element before it is compared. The key function's return values are compared instead of comparing the list elements directly.
I approached the same problem yesterday and found a module called natsort, which solves your problem. Use. It also works for dictionaries as an equivalent of sorted.
You could pass a function to the key parameter to the dot sort method. With this, the system will sort by key x instead of x. BTW, to convert the list to integers permanently, use the map function or list comprehension.
In case you want to use sorted function, sorted list1, key equals int. It returns a new sorted list.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.